Hey guys, I'm Jay, and you are
Grayson Wade.
Grayson Wade. Cool. Why are we here, Grayson Wade?
We have something special. Here it is. Wait, where'd it go? Let's go look for it.
Hold on.
Jay.
Where? Hey, that's awesome.
It's a Gyarados Hidden Fate.
We got Hidden Fates.
Yes,
We found these at Target.
The newest series.
That's
we
right.
We found it at Target, and it's Gyarados.
So what do you think our chances of getting a shiny Charizard are?
I say medium, Dad.
Medium? I think it's pretty low.
Yeah.
But we'll see. Hey, you never know. Let's go. So you're
when I was saying medium, I was saying maybe we will, maybe we won't.
Okay, that's a good. You're probably right.
But I'm counting on mostly not.
Yeah, that's probably best to keep your expectations low. That way, when you find one, if you do find one, you're like.
So right here we got this Gyarados.
Gyarados. That is one sweet card.
Yeah.
That is a sweet card. Yes, it is.
Yep. But it takes a lot of water. It takes a lot of energies, though.
Let me see what we got here. Okay, so Dragon Rage does 130 damage. Need 3 water energy and 1 basic. And then same cost, but you can do your one-time Hyper Beam GX attack, 240. And it takes 230 hit points to take this little guy, big guy, whatever. Yeah, I don't know if anybody ever called a Gyarados little. You think anybody ever called a Gyarados little?
No.
Probably like, not Turtonator. What's the Pokemon that everybody lives on that was in Detective Pikachu?
Mewtwo?
No, the mountain turtles thingies. I can't remember the name. I don't know what's going on with me. Anyway, there you go.
I remember.
So Gyarados. All right, and then you got the code card, but do not show the people that code card. We want that deck. I'm sorry, y'all. No.
So we got one Hidden Fates.
Hidden Fates?
Hidden Fates.
Hidden Hates? That'd be cool if it was Hidden Hates.
And one with a Mewtwo on it.
Wait, so that got Zapdos,
Whoa.
Moltres, and who's that?
I think I know that Pokemon, but
You know what I mean?
look, guys, I got a Mewtwo pack and a Mew pack, and one shiny Charizard pack on the front.
Now, we'll be honest. All we know is that Hidden Fates are really expensive to buy right now, unless you can find them in stores.
Let's start with this one.
But, oh man. Sweet.
We got a special in here.
I'm pretty sure this is one of the sets where there's a special in every pack. But we'll find out. I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah. So how many in front?
You'll put 4 in the front.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I found a Pokemon I like. Ooh, an energy.
Ooh, a Jinx.
A Jinx.
Dude, Graveler.
Oh man. A Farfetch'd. A Farfetch'd.
I got a Farfetch'd, a Staryu, a Jigglypuff, a Ekans.
I think I see a GX back there.
A Geodude. A
Cubone. Dude, a Holo Zapdos, and no, not quite.
A Holo Zapdos. I'm gonna put this in my like piles.
And then, is that a Holo Rare Snorlax or just no? That's just a rare Snorlax. Well, that's not cool. We thought it was special. Oh well.
Ooh, another special.
But anyway, that's the Snorlax card. I need to read.
4 in the front, Dad. 4 in the front.
I need to get the software for this.
1,
Okay.
2,
3, 4. You gonna peek?
No.
Alright.
I decided not to anymore.
I'm a little disappointed because now.
Skyther.
Skyther. Ooh, Sabrina's Suggestion. Pokemon Center Lady.
Ooh,
Charmander.
This card looks really cool.
What is that? Slowpoke. That's a pretty cool Slowpoke.
And I got a pretty cool Psyduck too.
Oh yeah. Clefairy.
Magikarp.
Magikarp.
Oh.
A Voltorb and a
Weezing.
Weezing.
I'm gonna put this in there too.
Yeah, that's kind of.
Yeah, they're giving me.
Yeah, I thought every card. Well, that's kind of disappointing. Another. Well, but obviously that white card don't mean nothing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right.
Energy.
Okay.
Ooh, Misty.
Misty's Determination.
Jinx. Pokemon with
Pokemon Center Lady.
Eevee. Oh, dude.
Oh, I do like that Eevee.
Oh, dude, and I got a really cool Pikachu in here.
You gonna center it all? Like, what if we all go in here? You gonna?
Look, guys, dudes, I got a Pikachu. Pika, Pika, Pika.
The camera is up there, dude. There you go.
Pika, Pika.
Pika, but it's not going.
There.
It's not gonna focus. It's not that intelligent.
There.
Another Clefairy. Ooh, Jigglypuff. A
Dude.
Caterpie. Dude, that's actually a very cool card. A hollow rare type Null. That's awesome.
It's awesome. I'm gonna put that in.
Yeah, that has to go.
Oh
my word!
Oh my word.
A Misty's Water Command. Now that is awesome. Man, I wonder what that's worth, if anything. Let's see. What do you think Misty's Water Command is worth? Let's see. How much do you think?
Man,
$1?
I didn't know GXs.
Misty's War Command. How much do you think it's worth?
Yeah.
Take a guess. Water Command. Water Command. Misty's Water Command. How much do you think it's worth? Well, there you go.
39.
About $1. So it's not that rare, but whatever. It's cool. I think the card's cool.
4 in the front. I'm getting no
Pretty sure this is a new one. What does it say? Move any number of water energy from your Pokemon to your Psyduck, Horsey, Staryu, Starmie GX, Magikarp, Gyarados, or Lapras in any way you like. That's awesome.
Ooh, a Scyther?
A Scyther?
Dude, a Brox.
Brock's Grit.
Oh, I saw it. It's a GX or something else.
Oh, I see it too. It is something. It is. I see the little shiny.
Oh yeah.
I see it. I actually think it might be an ultra rare, but we'll find out.
Staryu.
Okay. A Slowpoke. Another one. A Voltorb. A Pikachu.
Dude.
And against
Dude.
a hollow rare Guzzlord. That is awesome. Is that a hollow rare or is that a regular rare? I mean, not a hollow rare. Is that's all shot? No, that is. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
That is awesome.
Dude.
And a Pinsir. Well, you show them. I mean, I guess I already said it.
Pinsir GX.
Guzzlord Hidden Fates. Let's see if that's worth anything. Yeah, the Guzzlord Hidden Fates is worth a little bit.
Wait.
That's about a $4 card.
Wait, that one said 0.
Well, that's the GX. You don't have the GX. You have this card right here. It looks like it's going for about $4 there. And then what else do you get? The Pinsir GX. You want to see how much that's worth? Pinsir. How do you spell it? Is it an I? I thought it was an I. Pinsir GX Hidden Fates. Let's see here. Actually, well, it's not coming up. Did I spell it wrong? Let's see. Oh, I did.
Here, you can look at that.
No, not a Pinder. A Pin. Ugh. This is annoying. There we go. Yeah, I didn't think it would be worth that much. People
98.
About $2. About $2. It's not worth a lot, but it's still cool, right?
Yep. Wait. Wait, I see something else.
No, what do you mean? Yeah, there's cards all over the place here.
No, I see this. Whoa. What?
Oh, that's right. I forgot that I had purchased that.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah, open it.
Okay.
Open it. Let's see if you got something special.
Okay. But I'm a little scared to open it. I don't know what's going to happen. They say the great Pokemon Ultra Beast are in here. Think there's an Ultra Beast in here? Do you think there's an Ultra Beast? Huh? Think there's one? Let me see in here. Hold on. It's come on. Open. Here, come here. Check it out here. Come on. I don't know.
Don't try to jump scare me if you do.
Ah!
I said not to.
Alright, so I got a Raichu
Hey.
GX card here.
Wait. I didn't put my Gyarados in my specials. Where's my Gyarados?
I don't know.
And at the end, we can show them on all our special cards.
Yeah, maybe we'll figure out how to actually focus this camera. But anyway, Grayson, calm it down.
Okay.
All right, so 210 hit points. He does 2 electrics and a basic. Does a thunderbolt attack for 120, and then a spark bolt GX 200, and that's also the same cost. So that's pretty sweet there. Now let's see what we got here. I'm a little disappointed with the white cards, but the hollow rares in the reverse hollow is pretty cool.
Hey, at the end, let's show them all our special cards.
Okay, we'll do that. But let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You can put them with my special cards.
No, these are my special cards.
Okay.
Energy, Missy's Determination, Brock's Pewter City Gym,
Whoa,
Giovanni's Exile. Oh, I got something good in here. I got something really good in here. Giovanni's Exile, Voltorb, and the weird thing is, my good thing is in the reverse hollow spot. Voltorb, Coughing, Cubone, Geodude, Jigglypuff. It's gonna be after this. Jigglypuff. And, oh my gosh, it's a gold card! The Aether? How you pronounce that? Aether?
I think it's
Aether Paradise Conservation Area. You see that? Maybe. Whatever. Basic Pokemon and basic Pokemon, or basic Leaf, basic Electric. Both yours and your opponents take 30 less damage, but that is awesome. Got a gold card on my first pack. And then Bill's Analysis. Love Bill's Analysis. Cool card. Alright, I got my... Here, let's see what we got. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, I'm just going to do a peeky peek. Oh, I got something really good in this one, too. This is a GX, and it's in the reverse hollow spot. That's weird. Watch your language, young man. Sabrina's Suggestion. Oh, dope. Charmeleon, yeah. Missy's Determination. Slowpoke. Clefairy. Coughing. Voltorb ready. Oh, Cubone, and you ready? Oh! Reshiram GX Ultra Rare! Man, this is an awesome box.
Why are you putting your special cards?
Sweet. Well, they're going over here, but my one is like an extra special card, so I don't know. And then Erica's Hospitality to close it out. That's awesome. Why am I getting all these cards in like the... I'm sorry to go back to Target and buy all these if they're like that. All right, ready? Let's see how we're doing.
Maybe they say all specials because you said that you might get a hollow rare in every pack, so maybe that's why they do every one.
I'm just gonna look here. No, this one ain't as good. I did get a hollow rare in this one though. All right, Energy, a Graveler, a Farfetch. This must be a small set. Oh my word, it is a very small set. This set only has 70 cards in it. A Jinx, a Charmander, a Clefairy, a Slowpoke, a Magikarp, a Pikachu, a Reverse Hollow Jigglypuff, and a Brock's Training Hollow Rare.
You should definitely put it right there.
Yep. Alright. it's just a hollow rare, not a. The gold cards are especially. All right, last one, y'all. Let's see if we're 4 for 4 on this one.
No.
No.
Wait.
No, looks like this one's a blanker. Energy, a Misty's Determination, a Pokemon Center Lady,
cool.
a Metapod, a Caterpie, a Paris, a Psyduck, a Charmander, a Magikarp, a Kangaskhan. Dude, actually, Blaine's Last Stand. I think this is a new one. You can play this card only when it is the last card in your hand. Draw 2 cards for each fire Pokemon you have in play. That's actually a pretty cool card. But again, can't get it focused, so I apologize. One day, when I become a professional YouTuber, I will actually figure out how to work my camera. But anyway, that's it. Got some cool cards here. I'm happy. I'm happy with what I got. What did you get, Grayson?
I got my Gyarados GX.
All right. Hold on, let me see if I can.
I got. What's this again, Dad?
Oh.
Daddy. What's this card again? What's this card again?
I don't know what. Sorry, I'm trying to see something here.
What's this?
Let me see. A Guzzlord.
And I got a Guzzlord.
Yeah. All right.
And a Pinsir GX.
You got a Pinsir GX? That they can't see it. There you go. All right. That is Misty's Water Command.
And I got Misty's Water Command.
I'm just curious how much the Reshiram GX is.
And then I got
The Type Null.
Type Null. Right?
Actually, let me see how much that's worth, Grayson.
Okay.
Type Null Hidden Fates.
Well, then I got
That's a nice about $3 or $4 card too. And then
Voltorb. I got a Voltorb.
nice.
And then I got a Zapdos.
A Zapdos. And that Reshiram GX Shiny is about, looks like it's about maybe a $10 card.
Okay, Dad, show your special stuff.
Let's see what the Aether is. I think that's how you pronounce it, Aether. Aether Paradise. Gold. And the Aether Paradise Gold looks like it's about a $16, $17 card.
What?
Maybe close to 20, I don't know. So anyway, I got Brock's Trading. There you go. I got a Reshiram GX. I got the Raichu GX. And I've got the Aether Paradise Conservation Area. Woohoo! And I feel heavy metal. Anyway, you got anything else to say to these people? They can't see you. Your faces. They can't see you. There you go. Now they can see you. Do you have anything else to say? Like,
Bye.
bye. That's a good thing to. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Oh well, I can't see the screen while you're trying to do this nice fade out. That was a